Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, receive any further information that I've got coming for you. So before we go any further, I must stress everything on this video I'm giving away for free, so you won't need any credit cards, any debit cards, no PayPal required, nothing. Everything is absolutely free. Okay, and at the end of this video I'm going to tell you where you can pick up my bonus bonanza, which you won't be disappointed in, trust me, and that is also free of charge, nothing to pay. So I'll tell you where you can get that at the end of the video. So today I want to talk to you about social traffic plan. So if you've been struggling to get traffic to your website, I can finally show you how to create a social plan to generate targeted traffic. So if you follow this comprehensive guide using social media to get the targeted website traffic you want. So this is absolute gold dust. Online digital marketing has numerous advantages for your business. Not only is it cost effective to increase your awareness about your brand, but the information you post on the internet travels fast and has no geographical boundaries. So if your businesses aren't already harnessing the power of social media, this is a year to take the reins in. Fortunately, I've created this simple guide that will show you how and what you need to do to boost your targeted traffic using social media. So allow me to introduce to you Social Traffic Plan, your guide to using social media to get targeted traffic to your website. So here's a few things of what you'll discover when you take the first step and gain access to this powerful guide for using social media to get targeted traffic. You'll learn how to utilize Facebook to increase traffic to your company site the right way. Discover how Twitter can help you engage more with your customers and grow your own business. Find out why Instagram is one of the best social media platforms to grow brand awareness and promote your products and services. You'll learn how to utilize YouTube, reach more people and increase website traffic. It just gets better. Learn how Pinterest can get you more targeted traffic. Well, there's so much more as well inside, and there's even a bonus that comes with this. This isn't my bonus bonanza, this is a special bonus for you. Taking action today, I'll give you a point-by-point checklist included. When you go through this course and uncover the secrets of utilising social media to get more targeted traffic, there are loads of benefits that you'll gain. You'll learn the secrets to using Facebook to engage with customers and drive traffic to your company site. You'll learn why you need to get regular feedback from your customers to ensure that you're meeting their expectations. You'll discover the different ways to use Twitter to boost your business and market your brand. And you'll learn the importance of hashtags and how choosing the right ones can gain you more visitors. And you'll discover the best ways to grow your internet business using Instagram. So you'll be hard pressed to find more valuable resources online, guys, for free. And I'm delighted to have the chance to share this powerful guide with you. So again, you'll receive the comprehensive valuable rights free after you've clicked the link below. But before that, I want to introduce you to my bonus bonanza, which is also free. No credit cards, no PayPal, nothing. Okay, this is free, guys. So my bonus bonanza today, I'm going to give you 50,000 visitors delivered to any website or blog, free, no strings attached. How's that sound? So this is a real special offer, guys. So if you want to take me up on the offer of having social traffic plan and the bonus bonanza, then please click the link below, guys. I don't know how long I can keep this live for, so click the link below. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see the next free offerings I've got for you on the internet. Okay, guys, take care.